Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel, Mad. Today I will show you how to draw cartoon leaves using Infinite Painter. Create a canvas of your own choice and start painting with me. Take the brush. I am using a low size monoline brush to draw a basic sketch. Always use line guider for sketching figures. Whether you are a digital artist or a conventional painter, a real life canvas artist, measuring your figure is really important. An expert also measures their figures while sketching, but as he is an expert, he doesn't need that scaling on the paper as he measures with his eyes. But for the beginners, it is difficult to draw directly without a layout. So, just follow what I'm doing. Always add layers and draw on different layers. Make a habit of drawing on different layers if you really want to be a digital artist. It has number of advantages if you draw on different layers, whether you are drawing a basic line or a simple geometrical shape or even if a small dot. Use vertical symmetry and see the result. I draw on one side and the other side is automatically filling up. Symmetrical tools are very useful for this type of painting where you need the exactly same pattern for both sides, like a mirror image. Now let me tell you one thing about creating canvas. You can slide the scale to adjust the canvas or just type the length and breadth ratio and get your canvas. If you have no idea about a canvas size, you can also drag the canvas model made here and then tap on the create button to create the canvas. Tap and hold your brush on the screen after draw a path and look what happens. This app will automatically take a nearly known geometrical shape of that path. Check the full video without skipping. And hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Draw a boundary and tap on fill button. Adjust the tolerance and then tap inside to fill the area. Make sure the boundary do not have any leakage, otherwise this will happen. But don't worry, digital art has the advantage of redoing mistakes, like error correction. This is a very basic advantage of using this app, just like the options of Paint app in a computer, but it is a very useful and time-healing option. I never trim any portion while editing my videos. Even I never delete the mistakes I do. Please do not miss any step and watch the video till end. Look how I blend colors. I am using colorless blender to blend colors. Tap on any layers you are working on and find out plenty of tools that will help your digital work and make it easier for you. You can duplicate a layer. Duplicating a layer is actually time healing. Suppose you want to draw a same thing twice or more than those, then you don't require drawing the same image again and again. Just duplicate the layers. If you want to clear the entire layer but do not want to delete that layer, then just tap on the clear button. Your whole layer will be clean. If you do not want to show or work on a layer but you need that layer after some time back, you can hide your layer. Then merge a layer with the immediate next layer of it. If you lock your layer, then you cannot do anything on that particular layer. The select option is very important. Suppose you want to select a particular portion of your layer, then select the portion and do your thing. I use almost every tool available for a layer. I will show that too. You just need to do one thing. Watch the video till end. Now the actual trick. Use the eraser to blend colors. That is why I always prefer to use draw on different layers. Select the particular layer by tapping on it and then adjust the size of the eraser. Use soft or medium airbrush for this. Now start blending. So, all done. Now I draw the borders to give a real look of cartoon.
What we do here is go back.
Infinite Painter provides you plenty of brushes like paintbrush, color brush, sprayers, paints, calligraphy maker, marker, charcoal stock, different types of textures, designs and whatnot. You can also download or create your own brush. In my next video, I will show that too. You just have to portray your imagination on your digital paper. Even you can custom your own digital canvas. I think this is lovely. If you feel the video is too fast to understand, please pause the video and check where you have doubts. One thing that I must say, if you spend more and more time with your painting, it will be a top class art. Digital art needs attention. Pay attention to your art, it will definitely gives you back. Merge layers after completing. This is the base paper. You can change color of your base. You will get two options here, colors and textures. I told you that in my next video I will show you how to use textures in your drawing, which will definitely take your drawing up to the mark. Let's take the base color black and look at the effect. Change colors and see the result. This is looking completely different. Let me add the textures. You can change the depth, the opacity and also the scaling. Look how I am doing it. There are plenty of textures available here. This is why I love this app. With plenty of tools and most important, it is very simple and easy to use. But the result you get is a top class art. Do whatever you want. It's your drawing after all. I am adding highlighters. It will give an extra effect to my drawing. Think of the direction of the light source coming from and add the highlighter and shadows accordingly. Zooming is actually important when you are adding some details in your drawing. Pinch the screen to zoom in or out. Secondly, always check the blending modes while blending colors. Make sure that you are selecting the proper blending mode. As Infinite Painter offering you huge number of blenders, more than 25, if the blending mode is wrongly chosen, then it can create trouble when you are mixing the colors. And last but not the least, if you do a mistake, just undo it and repent. Isn't it amazing? So that's it, the cartoon lips. Now save and export your digital art. Choose the format which you want. There are many formats available here like JPG, PNG, and even you can export as a zip file and many more. I will save the picture as JPG, so it's done. You can share the picture you made directly from this app. If you find the video is supportive, please subscribe my channel for more painting and ideas. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy, see you in the next video.